Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I'm not feeling too great again today. Like my cold is getting worse because I was coughing all night and whatever. But I'm not gonna make this video long. It's gonna be short and sweet, and I'm gonna do what I did the last video: talk, eat, talk, and then that close it up. I'm having some soul food, some fried chicken, collard greens, and a little bit of yams. And I got some honey for my chicken because I heard a lot of people be putting honey on their chicken. Like, yes. And of course, I got my water. Before I get into the video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Yes, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I make a new video. If I sound really like dead or not energetic, it's because I'm still sick. Like, I'm trying to feel better, But I'm always making a new video for you guys. So let's get it poppin'. Let's get it started. So how you guys doing? Got me some honey. I heard that it tastes good with honey. Excuse me. That is just good with honey. Hey, very good with honey. But I'll probably upload again tomorrow on Friday because I didn't upload on Tuesday like I was supposed to. Like I told you guys, I'm sorry about that. Got some yam and collard greens. And I got this from, where I got it? I got this from Best Style Fish Fry. And they got the best food in there. If you're from Brooklyn, you know what I'm talking about. Shout out for the people who's in Brooklyn, but they got the best chicken, best fish.